Today we are cooking spicy peanut noodles. So you could do a lot of different noodles with this. You could do udon, you could do wheat noodles, you could do my noodles, whatever. I think I picked udon. Getting that to boil. The other super important key ingredient here, gochujang paste. Now sounds complicated, but what is it? It's a hot pepper paste. Udon noodles are going in. Nice pork butt, already cubed for me, and then I marinated in some of the gochujang and soy sauce. Oh, look how nice. See, this is what I like because I put a little of that soy sauce. So because it's got the little sugar on it. That's how we get that brown stuff. This is Daphne Brogdon with 3 cups of espresso. So now we're gonna work on the sauce. So I have peanut butter and I have peanuts. Smash them, smash them. I'm still gonna use a warm pan though. I think it's better. Wait, this truly is peanut butter. I'm not lying to you. All right, so we're gonna try to soften up this peanut butter. Probably just needs a little water. And a sledgehammer, a little hot water. See how this goes. There we go. Garlic, let's put some garlic in here. We're gonna get so much flavor in here. We're gonna do fresh ginger. That's crazy. Peanut butter, garlic, and ginger. Daphne Brogdon, what are you doing there? I'm making something with loads of flavor. You know what I'm doing? I'm making something with loads of flavor. Oh, I can smell it. I can smell it. Okay, don't get too hot. I want that garlic and ginger to get a little heat because I want it to bloom. Garlic needs a little heat to bloom. I don't want it to cook. I just want it to bloom. Like me after 3 cups of coffee. The other thing is green onions on top of this as a garnish. You know, like once a year you clean out those drawers and you're like, ow, it's a black hole in there. All right, important ingredient, my gochujang. This is the star of the show today. Well, I'm the star of the show. You're my co-star, gochujang. I got the better trailer. It's coming together, it's coming together, it's coming together. It kind of looks like a tomato sauce, but it most definitely is not. Tablespoon of rice vinegar, and then let's do a couple tablespoons of maple syrup. 1, 2, probably 2's enough. 2 teaspoons of sesame oil. It just adds so much flavor. This is a very interesting color. I would call it orange adjacent. Wow, that packs a punch. It's pretty spicy, but we're gonna mitigate it with all those noodles. Here comes in my udon. 2 more things we're gonna do. We're gonna add all this pork, this beautiful pork butt. So then it's a complete meal. And then the other thing I wanna do is add the sesame seeds. Ooh, ooh. Sesame seeds. Here's my crushed peanuts. That has to go on top. Wait a minute. Hold the phone. Now, see? Not only is that gonna add flavor, but it's also gonna add texture.